yeah, so not everybody has access to like a fancy lift and whatnot. So I like to take advantage of all kinds of different situations just to get down here and make sure everything's tight, you know what I mean? I make it pretty simple. I'm just here on the trail. Thought, hey, I'm kind of left myself a gap down here. And plus it's in the shade, you know. So I like to check my bolts, especially after changing the yokes like I did. I can't reach. God damn it. Hey, look, a fossil. Cool. Bet you that's gonna tell like 90% of you people where I'm at. Fossil time. Yeah, but pretty comfortable. If you ever need like a minute out of the sun, just kick back, you know what I mean, in the shade.